guys, what do you think a succulent collector gets so nervous about? Just give you some perspective over here. You see my shade cloth came down. There's leaves from my neighbor's house everywhere. We just picked up a whole bunch earlier. Cleaned it up. Now it's all over my plants. It's not good. Not good, guys. Look at this. How much I've already fished out of swept and fished out of the pool. Yep. Peach tree and whatever tree that is, that's pretty much useless. The geese are flying away against the wind. Poor guys. Here we go. Yeah. I'm just walking around with bated breath. The roofing came off the shed. This is where, hear that wind? Look at all these. Look at all. Look at all. Neighbor's mess. Oh, it's in my pool. In my. Look. Ridiculous. I can't wait to move everything in the front yard because I can't have anything in the backyard. And this video will probably not get to you guys until later when I get my internet back and my power back on. What a Sunday! Yay! Oh my gosh, look at that tree. Please don't fall on my van. Please don't fall.